Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the world of high-performance naked bikes with the stunning 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 1000 factory. This beast of a machine combines raw power, cutting-edge technology, and Italian design. Let's explore what makes this bike a must-have for enthusiasts. Design and aesthetics. Right off the bat, the Tuono V4 1000 factory turns heads with its aggressive stance and sleek lines. The angular bodywork, coupled with the signature Aprilia front fairing, gives it a sporty yet muscular appearance. The attention to detail is evident in the high-quality finishes and the vibrant color options. The lightweight aluminum frame not only enhances its aesthetics, but also contributes to its overall performance. Engine performance. At the heart of the Tuono V4 1000 factory is a potent 1.077cc V4 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 175 horsepower. The power delivery is smooth, thanks to advanced electronics that manage throttle response and traction control. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tearing up a twisty mountain road, the engine provides exhilarating acceleration and an unforgettable soundtrack. Advanced technology. The 2025 model comes equipped with a suite of cutting-edge technology. The 5-inch TFT display offers all the essential information at a glance, while the APRC Aprilia Performance Ride Control System features multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, and adjustable traction control. These features not only enhance safety but also allow you to tailor your riding experience to your preferences. Suspension and handling. One of the standout features of the Tuono V4 1000 factory is its top-tier suspension setup. With Öhlins NIX30 forks and ATTX36 shock, this bike offers exceptional handling and stability, whether you're navigating city traffic or carving through the canyons. The lightweight chassis and responsive steering make it incredibly agile, allowing for precise cornering and confident maneuvering. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its sport-focused design, the Tuono V4 1000 factory doesn't compromise on comfort. The rider triangle is well balanced, offering a comfortable upright position for long rides. The seat is plush and supportive, ensuring you can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 1000 factory is a masterpiece of engineering, combining performance, technology, and style. Whether you're a track day enthusiast or a weekend warrior, this bike promises an exhilarating ride every time. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe Bike Buzzin' and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe.